Okay folks, so I don't know how many hours I've been in here for now, to be quite honest. Definitely been in here a good couple of hours, and we've spent a good little bit of time in old Sailor Town. So yeah, I think I'm going to head to the Wibbly Wobbly building now. I know for a fact that this video, or this set of videos I should say, will definitely not get a lot of views. Some people will like it, I know they will, but Scrimshaw, very good Scrimshaw.
Now pardon me while I look at Scrimshaw through a magnifying glass. Ah, brave men all, lost sons of New Bedford. That's good Scrimshaw.
Oh dear. Excellent Scrimshaw. Yeah, so I know that like I said, it won't get a lot of views. Just the nature of these videos, I guess. People I suppose find, well, I don't know, I mean not everybody, I mean I love museums, you learn so much, you know what I mean, you can if you just take your time, mooch around. Quite relaxing place, especially on a day like this. I mean look, the place is empty, I've literally got it to myself. There's nobody here. There's a few people knocking about, but not like crowds and crowds of people, do you know what I mean? Well, this model, that's pretty cool. But yeah, yeah, actually, let me have a little nosy over here a second. Oh, it's obviously a little scribbling corner where you can do your own artwork, look. Yeah, that's cool. So, what's that? My pet fish. Savvy. Superpower. Super fast. Cool. But yeah, so yeah, I might have a little dabble here, actually. I haven't done any drawing in public for a long time. Right, let's just pop that there a second. Sorry folks. Oops. Go. Flipping heck. Oh, no, it's not going to have it. Okay folks, so yeah, so there are a lot of videos today. My battery's nearly gone, I've just noticed as well, so the battery's really low. I've got a ton of footage like I said, so loads of videos today, but basically because I didn't go into work today, and to be quite honest with you, I'm not planning on going in work tomorrow either. So yeah, I don't really know what is going to happen. I've got a phone call or a phone interview from the job centre tomorrow, which was due. So, you know, that's going to be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. What I'm going to say to them, I have no idea yet. So, yeah, I don't know whether this is going to get worse or not. It might not. Anyway folks, don't want to put a downer on this necessarily, but anyway, yeah, okay, I'm just going to leave it there for now. We're going to go to the Wibbly Wobbly building, so I'll catch you folks later. Bye for now. looks like a brain. It's not, it's a coral. But it looks like a human brain. That's pretty cool. Wow. All these fancy shells. Wow. And look, spices. Oh, I presume they're spices, I don't know actually. This display is kind of common, including elephant, oh okay, no, sorry. They're not spices. Wow. Hi folks, guess where I am? So I'm in an air raid shelter, shaped like a Dalek, and it's tiny, and there's 2 seats in here but my knees reach the other seat, so how's another person going to fit in here? What the heck? How can you get 2 people in here? I'm sat right back against the thing here. It's like, whoa. So people would sit in this during the air raids. And it's super warm in here and all. It's super warm. Just imagine if you couldn't help but pass wind whilst you were sat in here. Trust me to think of that, eh? Oh boy. But yeah, flipping heck. Right, hang on. I'll show you from the outside. Look, even the door shuts, look. Oh, what does it? No, it doesn't, sorry. Thought the door shut. But look, see, it's like a Dalek. Look at that. So that's supposed to be like 2 people would sit in there when the bombs were dropping around them. I mean, I know it's cast iron, but I don't think that would stand up to a direct hit, to be perfectly honest with you. It might protect you from shrapnel and stuff and what have you, and I think it would be hella scary, to be quite honest. But flipping heck. Do you know what I mean? It's like, what's it say? The console shelter, this steel, oh it's steel, was used by police officers, fire wardens and officers who worked outdoors. Is that, oh yeah, in the docks and were unable to leave their posts during air raids. How many people do you think was how many people do you think it was designed for? Step inside. Can you see the narrow openings towards the top of the shelter? These provided ventilation but also enabled the people inside to look out. Wow. Flippin' heck. So that tiny little hole there, look, that tiny little slit. Wow. And there's one on this side as well, look. Flipping heck. It reminds me of a Dalek. It makes me think of a Dalek. Oh look. Wow. Gas mask. So, yeah, okay folks. I know I keep saying I'm going to the Wibbly Wobbly building, but every time I start making my way to leave, I keep discovering new stuff to see. And I'm like, oh, I've got to see this, I've got to see that. I love some of this artwork as well, it's really interesting. I guess we'll go this way. Wow, look at that. Flipping it, that's a steel beam. Like, something happened to it. Something to do with the incendiary. Sorry, I'm not being funny, but I can't read every flipping blurb, guys. I'm getting really tired now. I'm really, really hot in here at the moment. And I just really want to sort of start heading towards Wibbly Wobbly building. Right, folks, I'm going to leave it here for the time being. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. There's a cheerful sight, eh? Well,
kind of negative campaign to the one of saying, okay, let's build positive alternatives, let's try and create positive alternatives. It started off being very